Hey guys, we have here our Jeep Cherokee, and in this video we want to explain to you how to pair your smartphone to the radio of this Cherokee. So in this example we're using an iPhone 13, but it works in pretty much the same way with any other iPhone or even an Android phone like a Samsung phone as well. So first we're going to go into the settings menu on the radio, and then we're going to go down 2 pages. So on the bottom page we find here phone and Bluetooth. And then here in the next menu, we find the option paired phones and audio devices. So let's click on that. And then here we're seeing on the bottom here on the left side, add device. So let's click on this one. And then this will bring up a pop-up. See here, so now we should switch to our smartphone here. In this case, as I said before, this iPhone. And here we're going into the settings menu. And one of the first items is here Bluetooth. So let's click on that. And then here we're making sure that Bluetooth is currently enabled. And now our smartphone is going to look for nearby devices. And we see on the very bottom of the display, we see here Uconnect. So that is our radio. And we're going to click on that in order to pair to the radio. And now you see here this code. There's a 6-digit code. I'm going to compare this code with the pin number that we see here on the display on the radio. So we see this. The number is exactly the same, so we can click pair on our smartphone, and we're going to click yes on the radio. And now there's going to be a couple of more questions, like if we want to sync our favorites or our contacts. So if you want to do that, then you're just going to accept this on the phone as well as on the radio. And then we're just going to see a little bit more information on the radio itself. So it's going to tell us how we can activate Siri in this case. So of course it's all the same if you're using your Google Android phone. Then you will see the Google Assist. And then if we check on our phone, now it says we are connected on the phone, and as well on the radio we see that our smartphone is now connected and it's ready to be used. Yeah, okay, so this was already it for the video. Hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.